So I'm here today with the lovely Sarah, and we're at one of your recent projects. So I guess if you want to take us, a little walkthrough.
Sure. Yeah, this house was actually an unexpected renovation because the homeowners had a flood. So we had to replace some cabinetry and the damaged flooring. So in the meantime, while we were ripping everything apart, we thought it'd be a great idea to update and sort of refresh the space. So we lightened all the flooring and all the paint. We added a beam up into the ceiling. We revamped the fireplace area as well and added some shiplap and some wall sconces, and then redid the lighting throughout as well. Yeah, the water damage was in the laundry room, but it seeped into the kitchen. So one challenge that we actually had with the kitchen is we decided to reuse the space or repurpose the space a little bit to make it function a little bit better for the homeowner, because there's a few things about their kitchen they didn't like, but we wanted to keep the countertop, so we had to stay within the same footprint. So one example of that is this used to be a desk area, so we used the same countertop and bought it up and made it more like a coffee and beverage station, which the customers use more than a desk area. So in this space, this actually was not very functional at all for them. This is sort of their mudroom and their laundry room area, so we decided to make a bench and some shallow storage on the one side, and then raise up the washer dryer to make it a little bit easier with deeper storage on the other side, which left them with a little bit more space to work with.
Because I assumed all these units and everything wasn't here, so like what was here before?
There was some cabinets, but they were both really deep, so there wasn't much room in between, and there wasn't a bench with the hooks to sit on for the kids to put their things, so we added some nice drawers for storage for mittens and hats. And then finishing touches, we just updated some of the furnishings. We added a lot of new decor to match with the new scheme. Kept their existing big pieces of furniture, but replaced some chairs and some bar stools, and just updated some pillows and decor items.
Cool, yeah, I'll do a little loop around, and then I guess we're on to the next shoot.
Sounds good.
With you, the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together, it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million star.